Most people don't realize they're making financial mistakes until it's too late. By the time they do, the credit score's wrecked, the debt's piled up, and dreams put on hold. Look, unless your dream is to live paycheck to paycheck while surviving on instant noodles, we need to talk. But here's the thing. These mistakes are avoidable. And today, we're going to expose them, one by one. 1. Living for the now and ignoring the later. You're 22. You just got your first real paycheck. You feel rich. So, you blow it. The problem? That temporary high is robbing your future self. Compounding doesn't wait. Time is your biggest asset and your biggest threat if wasted. And speaking of time, what if I told you one tiny monthly decision could cost you over $100,000 by age 40? 2. Not investing early. The earlier you invest, the less money you need to retire wealthy. Put off investing until 30? You might need double what you would have at 20 to reach the same goal. That latte you skipped today could literally turn into thousands later. So, do you want lattes today or lake houses tomorrow? 3. Carrying bad debt like it's a trophy. Credit card debt isn't just expensive, it's toxic. With APRs over 20%, you're not borrowing money. You're digging a financial grave. Don't confuse credit access with wealth. And the saddest part, most people don't even track how deep they're in. 4. Not budgeting, because budgets are boring. Budgets aren't boring. Being broke is. A budget gives you power. It tells your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. And without one, you might be spending more on subscriptions than your future. 5. Thinking. You'll figure it out later. Later doesn't come with a reset button. The habits you form in your 20s, they'll either make you wealthy or keep you stuck. Wealth is built on intention, not luck. And the truth, most financially successful people didn't start rich. They just didn't make these mistakes. You don't need a finance degree. You don't need to be born into wealth. All you need is awareness and action. Avoiding these 5 mistakes can put you years ahead of your peers, because while they're fixing their messes, you'll be living your freedom. If you're serious about building wealth and not just surviving, don't stop here. Watch this next video. Why personal finance is important. It'll shift the way you think about money forever.